Alexa, turn alarm off. Alexa, turn master bedroom lights on. A lot of people ask me, what do you do when Tiffany's out of town? Well, of course, there's the essentials where I just get up and brush my teeth. Good vitamins. A friend of mine was DJing last night at a party in Los Gatos, and he invited me to come down and DJ with him, which was super fun. So I actually busted out the other night my DJ set so I could just, kind of dust the rust off. One of the favorite things at the house is the garden. We plant tomatoes every year, and we got a really good yield going. We also plant zucchini. Oh my God, look at this thing. That is, I should call Guinness. That is like the world's largest zucchini. I'm gonna give this to my neighbor Denise and Danny. When I was DJing this block party last night with my buddy, I just really loved how there was like a whole sense of community down there in Los Gatos, and there must have been like 100 people at this thing. And I feel like in America we've lost that sense of community. So going and giving my neighbors, Denise and Danny, some tomatoes and vegetables just really makes me feel good, and I love doing that. So now we'll go back upstairs and check out the Peloton after I finish some of this coffee and drink some water.
For joining me for this 20-minute house ride.
One of the things I like about riding the Peloton is that I get song ideas. Like I like that song Joy that she just played. After workout and jump in the shower, Emily, Alex, Naomi coming over, and I will spend the rest of the day enjoying time with family, swimming in the pool with Naomi. I can't wait.
Time to go over to the market and get some stuff for our little pool party. I'm just pulling up the draggers right now, and we said we wanted burgers, right?
Yeah, burgers.
Burgers. All right, burgers. I'll get onions, lettuce. So I got all the stuff. Got some crab, got some cheese, got all the stuff for the burgers. Now I'm gonna head home and let the fun begin. We're having some lunch time. Yummy. This was your mommy's high chair, and now you get to use it. That's pretty exciting, huh? Is it good? Do you like it? We're spending quality time in the pool.
Okay, there we go.
She loves it. It's Club Poopa. And if you don't know why I'm called Poopa, that's a story for another time. Well, that was awesome. I just, I can't tell you like how much fun it is to have Naomi swimming in the pool and Emily and Alex over. It was good. It was just really, really good. She loves the water. We were in there for a couple hours, and now it is bath time, and then we're gonna start the barbecue. really like cooking because I like doing things with my hands. So having the kids over and being able to make dinner and hang out all day has just been awesome. Baby's sleeping and got her up in her crib with the little camera. So hopefully we get to sit down, eat dinner, chill out, and then she'll probably wake up, play some more, and bedtime. It was fun. But, you know, right when we sat down for dinner, you woke up. And I kind of knew that might happen, but we really had a good time today playing, didn't we? It's bedtime now. The day is done. Well, that's it. It's a wrap.